just basic operation of the 110 John Deere TLB tractor loader backhoe. I'll just go over how to start it, how to operate it, the basics of it. In the operator's seat here on the left, there's the gear selector. Got low range in A, neutral B, mid-range, C, high range. Back here you got the front wheel drive, engage, disengage, lift it up to engage, push it down to disengage. Helps to be rolling just a little bit. Down below here is the emergency brake. On this side, the key is behind the armrest here on the right of the seat. In cold weather, you turn it to the on position, push it in for a few seconds. The glow plug light, you can see there behind the sticker, will light up a few seconds. And then get the start. Throttle adjusts here below. Loader operation, up, down, bucket, dump, curl up towards you. Forward and reverse hydrostatic pedals here on your right foot. Down, left one to go forward, right one to go back. One really nice feature of this tractor is when you're using the backhoe, or if you're doing an implement from the side, you can choose to back up or go forward with this button. You just choose the direction you want and then move this lever to select your speed. That's a really great feature. So that's light switch back here. PTO, if you're using a 3-point setup in the back, we've got the backhoe in the back here. Lever here you can hit with your heel when you're on the seat. That locks the two rear wheels together in case you're in traction problems and spinning. This affects the speed of the 3-point arm raising up and down. You won't need that if you're using the backhoe. Do the seat adjustment up and down for weight, the spring in it for that. And fuel tank is up here, of course, in the front. Fills on this side. It's got the gauge up here on this side. Give you an idea how much fuel you got. To use the backhoe, the lever underneath the driver's seat here, right up under here. Just lift that up and the seat flip over backwards and latch it. Usually will latch. You can get up in the back here to operate that. Hook up the attachment here in the front. Push these levers down. And then if it's an attachment with the hydraulic connections, they'll come to these right here. Just kind of clean them off. Okay, so hooking up these hydraulic lines, the pressure is released like it should be. You just push them in, they'll snap. And they're clean until it snaps. If there's too much pressure there, you said you can bleed. Crack these fittings, bleed it off. Okay, so now that's hooked up there. I'll show you how the controls work on. We can show you the auxiliary hydraulic controls here. This down energizes the controls. Put that down, and then you can use this button up here to momentarily move your hydraulics, like the claw on the front, up or down. This other switch on the side, this will turn those hydraulics on permanently. Like if it's a mower or something, you want to push that button, that'll keep running that control that direction. You push it this way, it'll keep running the control the other direction. If you leave it in the middle, then it's just a temporary button that moves them up and down. If you want to shut those hydraulics off, just push the back of this switch, then it disables it.